Guys, there's free Nescafe creamy
What's your
white.
phone number, babe?
09. No, wait. 0906. Ito yung free namin.
I like it as well.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is my pen.
Guys, we get free Nescafe cream
Yay!
with Chanika.
I got two, guys. Two coffee white and then two original.
What is this? Congratulations.
Because I use my
Bigyan
own
ng jacket. Charas.
No, I think
You want this?
creamy.
You take this one.
I
Hello, that's
creamy
unfair. I have one
white. It's
only.
because I have let them borrow my bottle.
Okay,
That's the reason.
no problem. Congratulations. Kuya, go. Dun o, sa Robinsons. So yun guys, buti na yung gumagala-gala tayo kasi makakalibre tayo ng kape.
Free coffee.